Welcome back to the vlog. My family and I are taking a 1-week cruise over to Vanuatu, so come and join us.
How they work?
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
They walk very slow with their feet, don't they?
Do they have to hold this part? Okay.
I have one more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Can't lose it.
Yes, I'm gonna make this belly.
Putting it. Okay.
Yes.
It's just a bit hard.
A little bit hard. That's all right. Yeah.
Keep holding it.
All right. All right. For Henry. Okay, let me borrow your fork. There goes a penguin. Is that a penguin? Yay!
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
Cheese.
Excited? Yeah? Taking a video. What are you excited about?
The beach.
The beach! That sounds good. And the island? Yeah. Henry, you ready?
We're gonna trap the chicken. Yeah, they trapped those ones.
Where are you going?
No, you have to get me.
Oh, this is such a game. Is this a really cool dance move? What about your other one that you're doing?
We spoke to a lady on the lift. She said there was a dancing. And then hold it up.
Hold it like this. Got it? 2 hands? Whoa!
It's starting to move.
We're starting to move.
Oh yeah, we are.
Bye, Mystery Island. Interesting, Henry. All the butterflies. Sure are. I did. A very rainy start to our day in Noumea.
What's the potatoes?
Ooh, yay!
Grab on and carry the big one.
Yeah.
Whoa, that.
What are we off to do now?
I don't know.
We don't know, we're gonna go explore.
Oh, it's a car train.
That's pretty cool.
That means people can go in it in the car train.
Yeah. What's over here? It's pretty cool.
Oh,
That's super cool. What else is there? What does that look like? Looks like taco. And more turtles. $15 Australian. Hold on. We're gonna go to the very back end, and that's where we're gonna catch our bus. That's not the right bus. Ours is the special bus that takes us to the aquarium. Ready?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Are we moving?
Yep. Okay, first stop on the hop on, hop off bus tour is the markets, and it's just a little bit rainy today. Last bus to the aquarium, but apparently it's a 1-minute walk from where we were having lunch, so we're heading over there now. You said tickle. You
I said pick up.
pick up.
From talking
I think pickup sounds like tickle, and you actually said tickle, didn't you? You said tickle?
No, I want to be up.
Nah, that says tickle, tickle, tickle.
No, I'm going to climb up you.
Whoa! Whoa!
A waterfall.
That's so cool. Whoa, what's that? Shark teeth. That's so cool. Wow. What kind of fish?
I don't know. Like
Sea fish.
They're reef fish.
sea fish. Hey, that fish right.
Oh, look at it go. A big fish.
Can we eat it? No!
Whoa. It's waving. That's got sea snakes in there.
Yeah, sea snakes.
Whoa, they're pretty cool.
These are all the different kind of fish in this tank.
There's a lot of different fish in this tank, isn't there?
Yeah. Well, let's keep going.
Let's keep going. Hang on, we gotta wait for everybody else. You're so fast. Is there a shark?
I don't see one.
Where?
I don't see a shark.
There was one at the back and one in the very front.
Are you ready to go see the turtles? What?
Look, all the turtles.
Wow. He's waving at you, Henry.
Oh my god, that's giant.
Maybe he likes you.
My tag.
You love your tag?
Yeah, I love Spider-Man.
What else do you love?
The potatoes.
The containers.
Yeah.
Wow, we paid all this money to come all this way, and you love the shipping containers
I love the crane.
and the crane. We finished up our hop-on, hop-off bus tour on the island of Demir. Last stop was the aquarium, and then we went back to the markets just to see if we could find anything interesting. We came back onto the ship, had a bit of a rest, and now it's time for dinner.
We burnt up a lot of energy. That doesn't taste good.
Okay, we're having a look at jewellery. See if there's anything we can find. We can't afford anything.
Any of them. Any of them. All week and haven't snapped it yet.
We finally made it to the pub. What is it?
A duck.
She found a duck.
Keep or hide, you decide. Quantum of the seas. Le duck.
Are we gonna hide it somewhere else?
No, I think that's a pretty good spot.
That's a pretty good spot. That's cute.
Right there.
We, we just finished up our shopping, so now we're going to pick up Henry from my mum's cabin and then head off to bed because he desperately needs a sleep. And then we'll see you guys in the morning. They have a much bigger room than us, and they have a little deck. Oh, I can't see anything.
Open, open, open. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Close, close, close. Close, close, close. Open, open, open. Open, open, open.
Well done.
Magic trick.
That's a great magic
Wait,
trick.
no, Poppy and me got magic.
You do have magic.
We took the long way back to our cabin and Henry wants to race us.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We decided to come and check out the lifeboats. They were also the shuttles that got used to take us over to the island. And hopefully you can hear me because it's pretty windy right now. So we're gonna have a little look and walk around this morning and explore parts of the ship that we haven't seen yet. All right, we ready? What are we gonna explore next?
The other boat.
The other boats?
Whoa. Did we go on a water?
Yeah, we went on 2 of these, one to get on the island and one to get back from the island. Is the boat rocking? Is it a bit wobbly?
Yeah, but it's okay for me.
It's okay for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's keep exploring.
Let's keep exploring.
Oh, this boat has that boat too.
That looks like a speedboat, that one.
Yeah.
What's over here?
The cruise ship has that boat.
That's so cool. What's over here?
Another floaty.
Another floaty. And you can see the ocean.
Wow. Yeah, don't you have to see me and say hello.
Okay. Hello. What did we do today?
I don't know.
Why don't you know? We went and saw the shuttle boats or the lifeboats, which was pretty cool and entertaining for a bit. And then we spent most of the afternoon playing at the arcade and we went to the kids club. So it's been pretty chill and relaxed. And then now we're getting ready to go out to dinner, which will be our second last dinner of our holiday, won't it?
I
Yeah.
hope so.
We'll see you there.
Where it began, I can't begin to know, but then I know it's growing strong. I can't stop
Cheese.
Looking pickin' when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some love, just let me know.
What?
Is Nanny winning?
Henry is on the floor.
Yeah, are you winning?
Yeah.
Trivia started.
We're gonna start right now with our trivia. One more for all. Wait, so what's gonna happen? What's gonna
Hit my first.
and it is legal to shoot at Scotsman, but only without.
Pizza boy, pizza boy.
We're going for a swim. Pizza boy, pizza boy.
Remember swim.
Remember to put sunscreen on. No. Yeah. It's been a very lazy morning and we did some trivia and we had some breakfast and we did a little bit of running around, didn't we? Yeah. And now we're gonna go back to the wave pool.
Looking pickin' when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some love, just let me know.
It's our last night on the cruise and we've had a very, very good evening. We had lots of swimming today, didn't we? Yeah. And I went up to the games room and did some stuff.
And go to the spa.
Yeah, we went in the spa. We went up to the games room while
And
Henry...
get ice cream.
And get ice cream. You've had a very good day, haven't you? Yeah. And Auntie Jess looked after Henry tonight so I could go have some fun with the family. And then we're having a bit of an early night because tomorrow we go home and we get off the cruise at 6 a.m. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye. Morning. It's 6 a.m. and it's the end of the cruise. The sun is just starting to rise on our digital balcony. And I can tell you, I'm probably not going to miss this screen. I think it added to some of the motion sickness a little bit, was only seeing your view in the ocean digitally for the entire trip. Bye, cruise ship. What are we doing now?
Go on the box.
Yeah.